Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 search bar not displaying and not showing results. Let's fix it guys. You just need to press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and it will be opens up a run. In here you just need to type REGEDIT regit. Click on OK to open up. Select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this file path used in my video. Copy and paste over here now and press enter. After pasting it, you just need to go back and copy this text guys. After copying it on right side, you just need to right click on the blank area and select new, select default 32-bit value. You just need to paste the text guys. After pasting it, press enter. And now double click on it and change the value data to 0 and click on OK. And after doing this, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.